Hello kids, now I am going to teach you the second chapter of English grammar, vowels and consonant. Vowels and consonant. Chapter 2, vowels and consonant. Letters of the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters. English alphabets में अल्फ़ाबेट में 26 लेटर्स होते हैं. वी कैन राइट दीज लेटर्स इन टू फॉर्म्स, और इन लेटर्स को हम दो तरीके से टू फॉर्म्स में लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज कैपिटल लेटर्स एंड सेकेंड फॉर्म इज स्मॉल लेटर्स. दीज आर कैपिटल लेटर्स and these are small letters. The 5 colored letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The 5 colored letters A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. 5 जो colored letters हैं ये हैं vowels. A, E, I, O, U. 5 letters are vowels. The remaining 21 letters are consonants. और जो बाकी बचे वो सारे हैं consonants. Let's come to the exercise. Question A. Color the stars that have vowels in them. हमें उन stars को कलर करना है जिनमें vowel है. S, no. B, no. A, yes. This is vowel. So you have to color this. A. Okay. P is consonant. Yes. E. E is vowel. So you have to color this because E is vowel. I, yes, this is also vowel. So you have to color this. I. T, consonant. U, yes. U, vowel. U, vowel. So you have to color this. V, consonant. O, yes. This is also vowel. So you have to color this. O. Now we will come to the next page. Page number 9. Page number 9. Question B. Color the stars that have consonants in them. अब हमें उन स्टार्स को कलर करना है जिनमें कॉन्सोनेंट्स है. कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं. ओके. N, yes, N is consonant, so you have to color. I, vowel. G, consonant. You have to color this. C, consonant. U, vowel. H, consonant. You have to color this. K, consonant. You have to color this. E, vowel. Okay. E, vowel. L, consonant. So you have to color this. And R is also consonant. So you have to color this. Now come to the next question. Fill in the blanks with the correct vowels A, E, I, O, U. इन फिलअप को हमें, इन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को हमें A, E, I, O, U के साथ फिल करना है. फर्स्ट, नंबर 1, P, and you have to write here E. P, E, N, C, and you have to write here I, L, and the complete word is pencil. P, E, N, C, I, L, pencil. Number 2, T, you have to write here E, then A, C, H, and you will write here E, R, and the complete word is teacher. T, E, A, C, H, E, R, teacher. Number 3, you have to write here A, double P, L, E. You will write here E. A double P L E apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Number 4, F-L, and you will write here A, and the complete word is F-L-A-G, flag. F-L-A-G, flag. Number 5, M, and you will write here O, M-O-T-H, you have to write here E, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Number 6, K-N, you will write here I, K-N-I-F, you will write here E, K-N-I-F-E, knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Next question, D. Look at the given words, they have vowels. Look at the given words, they have vowels A, E, I, O, U in them. जो ये वर्ड्स हैं इनके अंदर, इनमें क्या है, वॉवल्स हैं A, E, I, O, U. Write them in the correct tree. आपको उनको उनके करेक्ट ट्री में लिखना है. First tree is A, and you have to write here M-A-N, man, M-A-N, man. Second, F-A-N, fan, F-A-N, fan. Second is E, so you have to write here B-E-D, bed, B-E-D, bed, B-E-D, bed. Second word, ten, T-E-N, ten, T-E-N, ten. Third tree is I, so you have to write here P-I-T, pit, P-I-T, pit. You have to write here pit. And second word, S-I-T, sit, S-I-T, sit. Fourth tree is O, D, and you have to write here D-O-G, dog, D-O-G, dog, D-O-G, dog. And second word, B-O-Y, boy, B-O-Y, boy. Fifth tree, fifth letter, U, and you have to write here S-U-N, sun, S-U-N, sun. And second word, G-U-N, gun, G-U-N, gun. Next page, page number 10. Page number 10. Question is project time. Look at the pictures given below. Write V if its name begins with a vowel and C if its name begins with a consonant. अगर इन पिक्चर्स का नाम जो है, जो ये पिक्चर्स हैं ये स्टार्ट होती हैं वॉवल से A-E-I-O-U, इन किसी 5 लेटर से स्टार्ट होती है A-E-I-O-U, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर V. एंड अगर कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होती है तो यू हैव टू राइट हियर C. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज एलिफेंट, दिस इज एलिफेंट and its name begins with E, so you have to write here V. This is Christmas tree, and Christmas tree start with consonant, and you have to write here C. This is umbrella, and its name begins with vowel, umbrella, and its name begins with U, and you have to write here V. Number 4, this is baby, and its name begins with consonant, so you have to write here C. This is apple, and its name begins with A, so you have to write here V. This is duck, and its name begins with, yes, its name begins with consonant, so you have to write here C. This is goat, and its name begins with consonant, and you will write here C. This is pineapple, and its name begins with consonant, and you have to write here C. This is orange and its name begins with vowels. Vowels. So you have to write here V. This is ice cream and its name begins with I. I. So you have to write here V. This is car and its name begins with consonant. Yes, C. Consonant. So you have to write here C. This is tomato. This is tomato and its name begins with T. Yes, consonant. So you have to write here C. Okay, kids?